Here's how to play Gears of War Reloaded split screen. First, on the main menu, go to the Versus options. Once you're already on the Versus options, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the friends that you created to your game. So what you need to do is to click on the friends that you wanted to play a split screen with. Make sure that they are online before inviting them. Now click on the person that you wanted to play for the split screen with. And then as you can see, when you click them, you will see they're syncing data or downloading the latest multiplayer data. Wait for it to be downloaded to your game. Once it's already downloaded, you will be able to see there two players need to sign in to play split screen. So click on the continue options and then the other player will sign in to the Gears of War, and now you can go ahead and enjoy playing multiplayer by split screen.